In a small village in southeast Bulgaria, this red gate hides property. The big wall makes it private. Inside the property is a little house, one story but with a very good roof and ready to move in. Enter up the stairs into a conservatory. The room to the right is a small box room with an air conditioning unit. The property is south facing, so this room gets a lot of sun. Behind this is quite a large room. All the furniture is included. The window looks over the rear garden. Step down a couple of steps and you're into the summer kitchen with an internal bathroom, large electric boiler for hot water, flushing toilet, sink and shower. The summer kitchen has been used as the kitchen. Back through to the conservatory. And the middle room at the back. This isn't a small box room, but it could be changed into a new bathroom or a dining room or the kitchen. To the right is the biggest room of all, spanning the whole width of the property, with 2 corner windows overlooking the front. This house has been well looked after and is in very good condition. You can see the floors, the wooden floors are in very good standard. It's heating by wood burner. On the very edge of the village with no neighbours to one side. Here you can see the summer kitchen and the roof is in very good condition. This is a barn at the front of the property. Behind the property you can see some of the plaster work has come away, but this is good because you want the stones to breathe. People often make the mistake of covering up and so water just goes higher or inside the house. The rear garden has one property to one side. You can just make it out. In summertime the leaves are on the trees and you won't be able to see them. At the base of the land is another well for garden irrigation. as well as the room at the back under the house. It's just a little storeroom. There's another one at the front of the house. They've added onto this a chicken house. And next to this, another room. I think they used to keep a pig in here, or maybe a dog. Access to the rear garden. Next to this is another barn, and the roof is in a very good condition, considering. Plenty of storage space, and the barn is actually very, very big. And here they've made a flat concrete area ready for a garage.